This was my place. This is where I felt comfortable. But I was dropped into a new world. I felt out of my depth, out of place. This space is enormous. Everything seemed so scary and I just wanted to hide. But I found other people. They were scared too. We realised we weren't alone. Together, we adventured out and things didn't seem so scary anymore. Bit by bit, I learnt to grow. I helped others too. This is my place. This is where I grew to feel comfortable.
This was the place where I felt comfortable. Now I feel out of my depth, out of place. It all seems scary, I just want to hide.